edición de Timeout. A ver, en Timeout ponemos un grau norte junto con nos corredor de distancia largo, nos top corredor de distancia largo, nos corredor élite, nos refiriendo a Lana Gobert, com quem nós vamos conversar a ver em Timeout. Agora nós vamos para Timeout cortica, assim que nós vamos back, nós estamos conversando com Lana Gobert. Televidente, danke por estar conosco. Nós estamos com Lana Gobert. Lana, good afternoon.
Hello, hello.
Hi, how are you? Look, Lana, what are your latest accomplishments in running?
Well, after I did the 6 major marathons, I kind of took a break in the very long distances, and I've been doing the local races and enjoying the 10Ks and 5Ks. And just yesterday we had the gold mine race, and it was a 5K on the almost trail run, and it was a nice one.
Wow, nice to hear that. What are you preparing for right now? What races?
Next this Sunday, coming Sunday, is a Guardian Group run in Curacao, and I received it as a prize for winning the Guardian Group run in Aruba. And so that's why we're going this weekend. We're going to represent Aruba in Curacao.
What distance is it?
It's 10 kilometers.
10K.
It's a nice route. Yeah, 10K.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
It's a nice, beautiful route, but it goes over the Juliana Bridge. So that's always, the challenge.
And your next run after that, is that from Aruba?
After Guardian Group, we have a diabetes run here in Aruba, and the big event for me would be Aruba long distance triathlon.
Okay. How is the preparation going?
Well, I've started to bike longer hours, like 3 hours at a time, and adding more swimming and more, and running is always there. But I think of myself as a triathlete, and that's why I really want to do this particular race, the Aruba long distance triathlon, to show people that long triathlons in Aruba are possible despite our heat.
Do you think that something can be done to get more runners in Aruba?
Certainly. I think we can, have more programs, social programs, advertising, running, more clubs, maybe schools. When we can teach children in schools that running can be their after-school activity, and just showing the benefits of running. I think right now we see quite a few people running compared to 5 or 6 years before, but it can definitely be more.
How is it going with your daughter?
My daughter, she's training hard and racing regularly. but her main sport is triathlon, and the running races are for them to, they're like tests for their main occupation.
Okay, okay. Look, does she have the eye of a tiger like you have it?
The which title?
Emma, does she has the eye of a tiger like you have it?
Yes, I think so. When like a few years ago, she told me that when actually before she started, that she'll have more medals than me, and I think she's on that path. She's trying, and she has that fire in her that she wants to do it, and she wants to compete, and she wants to win. And
Nice.
seeing her work every day is impressive and actually motivating for me.
That is nice. Nice to hear that. Look, do you see more people running on the island right now?
I think so, yes, especially on the events that we have, constantly every other week there is a run. And when you come there, you see new faces, you see people coming, you see people joining, you see people taking interest in what's happening. And I think it became quite a social event, social thing to do, to be a runner, to join running
Yes.
community. It's nice, that people can do.
What is the major your major impulse to do running, because you're doing it like it's a daily habit.
Well, when I started now, what, 7 years ago, and I started it to prove to some of the friends that it's not that hard, that I can do it, that I can run a race or I can run a marathon. That's how it started personally for me, and I think that it stayed with me. You start challenging yourself with a shorter distance, and then a longer distance, and then half marathon, and then marathon, and then you think in ultras. And by the time when you do your ultra, you ran and you've trained so much that you don't see your life without it. It's I feel better when I run. On the
That's
days when I
nice.
have to rest, I feel restless.
What is your main attraction to keep on running?
Right now at the moment is that I've been running and training so long that I want to keep doing this, and I want to keep being in shape, and I'm still searching for the biggest goal, that I can do, for example, next year. But I don't want to lose my condition, and that's why it's like it's better to support than to lose it and then try to work back to get it.
That's great. Televidente, la conoce mo time out kortika sini kaya sa back na si Masko Lana Gobert.
Welcome to Holland. Welcome to the country of the world's most famous cows. This is where your Frisian flag milk comes from. Taste our nature at its best. Frisian flag. Discover the goodness of milk from Holland.
Danke per untuk untuk Lana Gobert, nos long distance elite runner aqui na rua. Lana, do you see, or what else can be done to attract more younger people in running?
I think right now we have more younger people running compared to what we used to have, and I think that we need to keep doing the same. We are the events are being organized for 4-year-olds, right? And I think more people see that it is possible, and more running clubs are welcoming their young participants. And I think more parents are being comfortable of letting their kids join in the running clubs and trying to run at such young ages, 4 and 5 years old. And I think we will be seeing more and more people doing it.
Especially younger people?
Of course, because I think running wise, it's a pretty simple exercise to begin with, and many people can join, right? All you need is a pair of sneakers. You don't need any fancy, expensive equipment to start. And running is something that comes to children very naturally, right? And when you organize your training sessions with fun and entertainment for them, knowing that they're kids and that they like to play, you play with them 50% of the time or more, and then include some of the running, and then children love it, and they come and they stay and they keep running.
Look, 2024 was a gracious, excellent year for you. Do you expect to project this also in 2025?
Definitely, I'm not done yet. And there's still great things to be done, to be run.
Look, because you have done great things this year, Lana. Marvelous things in running. You have some for your name, some very, very good competitions. Like you went to the Paris marathon. You went, I don't know, 6 or 7 international marathons. Are you intend to continue like this?
Definitely, I'd love to. There's something special about running all those international marathons. It makes you travel and you see things and you see other runners and other um, cultures and everything, and then you challenge yourself against all those people, and you're being so motivated, to keep going. It's it's a wonderful thing for sure, and
Wow.
it's a blessing to be able to do that.
Wow, wow. Televidente, verdaderamente, sin duda, nos prospecto máximo de corrimiento aquí en Aruba, Lana Gobert, corredor élite, que hay aquí en Antiguaya, sumamente grande mientras de lomba, que laga, resonar nombre de Aruba bastante viajada en exterior, con su presencia, lagando un buen tiempo atrás también. Lana, we want to thank you for everything you're doing. Keep on doing your best. Keep on doing your good job you're doing right now, because we need it here on Aruba. Thank you.